if a fixer-upper is right for you? Maybe you need a move-in ready home. Well, I'm going to help you make that decision today. Here are 5 tips to help you make a decision on whether a fixer-upper is right for you. Number 5, do you have it in your budget to do a renovation? Renovations can be very expensive, and you gotta allow for contingencies. So not just the renovation budget, but the if money as well. If something else comes up during your renovations, if you run short on supply, all these ifs can happen. So you wanna have that contingency money plus the renovation money already allotted for before you start your renovations. Number 4, do you have time for renovations? Renovations can be very time consuming. Yes, especially if you're doing them yourself. If you hire out renovations to a contractor, that could take up your time as well, because now you have to manage the contractors, making sure that they're doing what they're supposed to be doing, making sure they stay on schedule. Also, with your schedule, making sure everything is done according to the plan and according to the way you want them. Number 3, do you have the patience for renovation? Oh my gosh, renovations can push some buttons because not everything goes according to plan. So you have to have the mindset and the patience to work through all of the challenges that come with a renovation. Do you have it in you? I'm sure you watch HGTV, and that just gives you a snippet of the things that could go wrong. So make sure you are prepared emotionally for renovations, because they could push your button and test you all the time. Number 2, do you know if the renovations that you want to do are achievable? Have a plan in place for your renovations. Make sure you consult a professional before you start anything. Even if you're doing it yourself, make sure you have a second opinion so that you know exactly what you're getting into. Don't go ripping up walls and tearing up floors before you actually have a plan in place and someone is there to assist you with these renovations. Now, before I get to number 1, tell me, have you done any renovations of your own? Tell me what you think need to be added to this list. I'd love to hear from you. Send me a comment. I respond to all my messages. Number 1, do you have a contractor that you like to work with? Make sure you interview several contractors before you pull the plug on one. Different contractors have different experiences, so you want to make sure that your contractor is the right fit for your job. Now, if you're doing the renovations yourself, then you don't have to worry about that. But I still say consult with a professional so you will know everything you need to know before you do these renovations yourself. I'm Carmilla and I am a licensed South Carolina real estate agent. And I love bringing you helpful tips and facts about buying and selling real estate here in Charleston, South Carolina. If you have any questions for me, reach out. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because I put out content like this weekly to help you stay informed about the Charleston market. Well, until next time, thank you for watching.